You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this super legendary, famous singer in Icelandic, her own language, how she would say it. Alright, so it's not pronounced Björk. Alright, in English, yes, that's probably the most common pronunciation in English. In Icelandic, however, it's pronounced Björk. Let's break it down. The B sound is a little bit in between a B and a P in Icelandic, but if you pronounce it with a B sound, that's fine. I put, by the way, the phonetic spelling underneath the name Björk. Now, the O with the umlaut, with the two dots, is almost like a schwa. It's an sound, as in run, you know. So, the J is like a Y, so bia is the initial sound, okay? Bia, it's easy. Then the R is like a Japanese or a Spanish R, short. You need to roll or trail the R. Björk, Björk. And then the K is a K sound. Björk, Björk is how to pronounce it correctly in Icelandic. In English, therefore, you can say Björk. Björk is good. Good enough, in my opinion. What do you think? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.